You can manage all your social conversation in one place by integrating your company Facebook page with your ngDesk account. This way, your agents can respond to customer posts or comments on your Facebook page right from your ngDesk account. To connect your company's Facebook pages to ngDesk, you need to configure the Facebook channel in ngDesk. To do this, navigate to and select Modules from the sidebar. Select the Tickets module. From the module menu, select Channels, and then choose Facebook. To add your Facebook pages, click Continue with Facebook. Next, you will be asked to log in to your Facebook account. Select the Facebook pages you want to integrate with ngDesk and click Next. You can connect up to 15 Facebook pages to your ngDesk account. Ensure that the Manage Your Pages and Publish as Pages You Manage options are set to Yes, and then click Done. ngDesk will not be able to access your Facebook pages if you do not grant these permissions. You have now linked your ngDesk account to Facebook. Click OK. Check Import to allow the system to import the selected Facebook pages and click Done. The selected Facebook pages will now appear under Active Pages. Click Save to apply the Facebook channel settings. You can deactivate the Facebook channel at any time by toggling the Deactivate slider, or disconnect just specific pages by clicking Unlink on the desired page. If you have any questions, please contact ngDesk support.